First, we will create 3 empty lists. Now to input numbers in the list, we will run a loop for 5 times as we have to take 5 values from user. The values will be stored in variable n, and then the same value will be appended in the list A. Append is the function which adds numbers to a list. Now we will repeat the above code for list B. You can see that the values of both lists are printed. Now we can write the code to add the number of lists. For this, again we need to run the loop for 5 times. We will treat I as the index position of lists so that values at 0 index position in both the lists are added together and stored in variable n. The same n variable will be appended to C. Then the value of I will increase to 1 and values at 1 index position will be added to the variable n. In this way, all 5 sums will be appended to C and our program gets completed.